Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. I hope you all are well. I am your IT teacher and this is grade 5th IT. In today's video, let us start lesson number 2, software and its types. This is page number 15. What is software? Okay, what is software? We all react differently according to the various situations. Have you ever thought that how it becomes possible? Let us understand this with the help of an example. What happens when your teacher asks a question in the class? You simply raise your hand if you know the answer. But who prompts you to raise the hand? Okay. So, it is the brain that gives you instruction to react like this. Similarly, a computer gets all the instruction from the software to perform various tasks. Software is the soul of a computer without which it cannot exist. Okay. So they have given a good example. What example they have given? What happens when your teacher asks a question in the class? You simply raise your hand, okay, if you know the answer. So, but who prompts you to raise the hand? It is the brain that gives you instruction to react like this. Similarly, a computer gets all the instruction from the software to perform various tasks. Software is the soul of a computer without which it cannot exist. Okay. So computer is a machine that does not intelligence of its own. A computer without instruction is like a car without a driver. A computer without instruction is like a car without a driver. It requires a set of instructions given by us to work on. This set of instructions are called programs. Okay, set of instructions are called programs. These programs are written in computer languages. Computer, okay. Software is a collection of programs that are stored and run on a computer hardware and help users to work on the computer. Software is a collection of programs that are stored and run on a computer hardware and help users to work on the computer. Okay, so what it will do? Okay, it helps the user to work on the computer. Software is that part of a computer which cannot be touched or seen. So we cannot touch the software. Okay, or we cannot see the software. So software is a part of a computer which cannot be touched or seen. Again, software is of two types. What are they? System software and application software. So we are having two types of software. First is system software and second is application software. What is system software? System software is defined as a collection of programs. Okay, so system software is defined as a collection of programs that controls the overall operations and internal working of the computer system. What it will do? It controls overall operation and internal working of the computer system. It reads data from input devices and transfers the proceed information to output devices. First, it will read the data from input devices and next it will transfer the data. After that, it will proceed the information to output devices. System software is of two main types. Again, we are having two main types in system software. Operating system and utility programs. Okay, first is operating system and second is utility programs. Operating system. Okay, so what is operating system? Operating system is needed to operate a computer. Operating system is needed to operate a computer. An operating system controls activities of a computer. Okay, so an operating system controls the overall activities of a computer. It acts as a link between the user and the hardware and enables them to work together. So acts as a link between the users and the hardware to enables them to work together. So it acts as a link between the user and computer hardware and enables them to work together. So they have given an example, better example. An operating system works like the principal of your school. Okay, as the principal has various responsibilities to manage the school, like supervising students, teachers and workers, maintaining discipline, okay, the examination schedule, timetable, curriculum and attending parents and visitor etc. In the same way, an operating system performs various functions to manage the working of a computer. Imagine what will happen if there is no principal in a school. Everything will be mismanaged. Similarly, if the operating system of a computer is not working properly, you cannot work on it. So this is a better example they have given. If there is no principal in our school, we cannot manage anything. Okay. Same way, if the operating system of a computer is not working properly, so you cannot work on it. Okay. So this is the best example they have given. So in today's class, we have learned what is software, and we are having two types of software, that is system software and application software. Again, system software is of two types, operating system and utility programs. So in today's class, we have learned what is operating system. So in the next class, I will be doing the continuation of the remaining concept. I hope you understood today's class. Thank you.